Holy shit, do you see that? Well, we made it into Fremont, Indiana last night, about 12:30 at night, staying at the same Holiday Inn, and this parking lot was completely packed. When I got here, there was truck there, truck there. So I looked everywhere and I said, that's it. Boom. So backed it up on the lawn beside the pool right there and kept the truck in these 3 parking spaces, because you couldn't park in front of that. Like I said, there was nowhere else to go. There was someone there. So I told the lady at the front desk and she was like, I don't know nothing about it. I said, thank you very much. So we are heading off to drop this trailer and then go get an update on the truck. Okay, well, transmission mount looks all right. That is good. Man, that wire harness got effed like big time. This is crazy. Wow. Severed the whole damn thing. Ding, 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 broken. Okay. There's where something banged off the exhaust right there. One of the pieces, or maybe that's old, I don't know. But there was an exhaust light on. Everything looks fine back here. Well, okay, so I'm assuming the shift cable right there. Right there. Wow, I can't believe that wire harness got that bad. That destroyed. And they gotta fix this one right here too. That's probably running back to my tail light. Remember how I said my tail light was out? Jesus, what a mess. So when you buy a T-case, comes in a fancy plastic thing. Look at this. So there's the new one. Looks like they're gonna get that shift cable on. The drive shaft is actually over there, so they're gonna get that shifter cable on. Yeah, dude, I just saw that. Yeah. So what do we think it was? A bearing froze and then...
I don't know if the drive shaft went out of and took the front of the transfer case out. Who knows? I don't know. Something internally just went.
Something just gave way, huh?
Right.
If it,
big wide chain.
And that, well, that would be on a belt. There was a gear right around.
Yep.
So if that bearing froze, finally said,
right? Said
fuck you.
You're right, more or less. Hey, you got a driver come get you now, or drop you off?
Okay, so nobody knows exactly what happened. So if you have a Ram or any truck with four-wheel drive and the light for service four-wheel drive comes on, make sure you immediately take it into a dealership, because like this is $3,000. This bill is gonna be like $7,000 and counting, apparently. So they didn't realize the shift cable was disconnected. Excuse me, cut. Okay, well, fingers crossed. So that means today's Wednesday. Oh, there's my cooler. Still frozen, so that is good. My veggies are probably gone. Look at these beauty sticks. That's what I was gonna have for dinner last Tuesday night. Can you fucking believe that? But yeah, back to the four-wheel drive case. If you have a service four-wheel drive light come on, like I said, it came on periodically, on and off, no big deal. I thought it was just a sensor or something like that. Look at that. I thought it was just a sensor. Well, I guess it wasn't. But here, since we're underneath the truck, here's the things that I added, right? You can see how they cut through the floorboards right there. And remember in the videos when I was welding the frame up? But yeah, that's what gives me all that storage space under there. It's pretty cool to actually get all the way under here. But, well, I guess we'll wait for an update on Friday now. Oh boy. Well, we're here at the other yard, the original one, where my trailer is. So I'm just gonna unload all my straps and tarp and everything so they're not in the back of the truck. But yeah, man, the gravity of this whole thing has really set in. Like, after seeing that truck, I am lucky nothing worse happened. So I need to look on the bright side of this. Yeah, that damage was far more than I thought it was gonna be, and you know, that could have really seriously injured me or someone else. So again, that's the bright side of this whole situation, is no one was hurt. Who knows, you know, 15 miles up the road I could have got shot and killed, or got run off the road or something, who knows. So need to yeah, look on the bright side, I guess. I'm having trouble because the cost of this now, for me being down this long, is going to be like 20,000 bucks. What do you do though? Thank God for credit cards, right? So got everything unloaded out of the rental. I'm gonna keep it until all this is done, so I have transportation around here. But yeah, the truck was starting to stink. It's like, what the heck is going on? This moving blanket got soaked on the way out there with all that rain, and I had it all folded up right behind the seat in the truck, and smelled like a wet dog in there. So we're gonna let this dry out in the sunlight, come back and re-roll the tarps later this afternoon. But yeah, that's it. Everyone, I just want to say thank you to everyone for all the encouraging words. And yes, this has sucked, but it could have been worse. So I guess we'll see you when we're picking up the truck and taking the Dodge back to Maumee, Ohio. I guess I should start calling them Rams, since that's what they're called now. Taking the Ram back to the Enterprise in Maumee, Ohio. I'm just putting it on my truck, or else I have to pay $250 for a rental car to come back. So we're just gonna keep it till then, and yeah, hopefully Saturday we'll be back on the road. So again, thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for the support. Give me a like, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you very soon.